What is up, guys? We're in another video. It's your boy Pickle Wickle,
Fuzzy!
and we are going to be going to the new map. So yeah, let's get right in.
Get in.
Press it.
Oh my gosh. I hate this. I'm gonna stay on the ceiling. Get on the ceiling. Oh Lord.
Guys, I don't think there's any monsters.
What does that sound then?
Guys, new monster.
Kill it! Kill it! Someone kill it! Why are there blood stains all over? What'd you get? Grenade? Alright, nice. Go, okay, guys, come on. No, look at the window!
Woo! Whoa!
What is that?
I don't know!
Oh my god! Hold away from me! I thought Fuzzy was like a mimic.
It's this way. Fuzzy died!
Oh Lord, I'm out! Oh my lordy lord! What was that?
I think that's the new monster.
That's the netbot. Oh my lordy lord! Calvin, wait! Calvin, I don't like this.
Me too.
Calvin, please tell me that you have a weapon.
I do. But it kills you. It kills you one shot though. It's back!
Okay, what weapon do you have?
A shotgun.
I don't know if we can kill it.
Yeah, we can.
I don't have a weapon.
I'm scared.
Go, Calvin!
Guys, he is one hit. If he hits you, that's one hit and then you're dead.
I know, I try to RPG him. Why does he look like that?
I don't see him. I see him, he's right there. Guys, we saw a picture of that at the elevator. He is the employee of the year.
He's gonna.
Hey, get the heck away from me, bro. My grappler.
Where's my grappler? Oh, right here.
I think I pooped my pants!
Yes, my backpack. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I'm running!
Guys, let's
I'm
go
never
now,
going
let's
back!
Guys, over here.
I hate... Why are we going down?
Guys, we really don't know what's gonna show up, so.
Oh, Christopher's online!
Don't kill me! Oh my gosh!
Yeah. Let's go.
Guys, get over here! Guys, the exit is over! Hey, buddy! I'm killing him! Nice job! It could be a trap! Shotgun!
That's fine.
Oh, wait, no, that's yours. Guys, there's plenty of exits!
This is the wrong way. Over here. Over here.
I'm scared, bro! Go up just in case! Why is Christopher calling us? Christopher, we can't answer! Hey, buddy! Shut up! Shut your stupid mouth!
We need these.
need. Wait a second, duckies? Why do we get duckies? Do you think it's rare now?
I don't know.
Here, grab them just in case. Guys, this is scary. I'm going up here, bro. I'm going up here. Guys, my light keeps on turning off. Yo!
Guys, we gotta go this way.
Guys, answer the call.
Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth, I'm killing you, buddy. Yo! Guys, answer the call. I can't, alright? Remember what I said? My headset?
What is my headset at? Hold on, you guys. Don't go without me. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Don't go without me. I'll be right back.
Alright, Calvin. We're back. Hey. We're really far
where the
away.
rubber
We're deep
duckies
in the
are.
back rooms, but we are heading there now. Hey, there's some stuff over here.
I'm trying to make him up.
I'm trying to stay on the ceiling.
Yeah, okay. You guys mind? Well, can you guys wait for me, please? Or come back?
Oh my god, my
No,
headset.
we're coming.
Thank you, Fuzzy.
There's a phone.
You're
I
welcome.
can hear a phone. What is that
Yo,
sound?
I got big back rooms vibes.
Oh shit.
Hey, Chris.
What?
So for some reason, for
you have a
some
weapon?
reason, we keep on mining stuff that pops out rubber duckies, and I'm guessing that it's popular now, and we have to sell them.
I don't know what you guys want.
What is that?
We hear you. You guys can hear me?
Yeah.
Are you in an elevator?
No, we don't hear you. Guys, I think I went to Christopher. We can hear you. Christopher, come on.
Hello.
Yes.
How did
Guys,
you
I
get
need
here?
to mine. Guys, come with pickaxe. I need to mine. Thank you. Wait, where are you? Can I use it? Guys, come with pickaxe, please. I need a pickaxe. Spencer.
There was one like a little bit back.
Go, Christopher, collect them.
I'm not collecting that. Only if you guys give me a pickaxe.
We can't, we don't have any.
Fine.
Guys, what happened to Spencer? Oh, he's doing
I'm
something.
not dead. I'm not dead. Oh, I think it's. Wait, what is it doing though? I'm right here, Dumbo. I'm trying to.
Bro, Spencer, be quiet. Don't call anybody dumbos.
Christopher,
headset's plugged in. What?
there's more to collect right here.
I don't care. He's in behind the door.
By the way, it's me. My pickaxe.
We gotta go back
But
somehow. Well, we don't gotta go back. We just gotta get to where we put the stuff, like Christopher. Where, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
spot.
but this way.
I know where to go. We just gotta get back somehow without dying.
over here.
Don't die.
Guys, get out all weapons just in case.
I don't have any weapons, but okay.
It's okay. We can't go that way. Over here.
It's this way.
Yes. Mister.
Mr. Smiley guy.
Oh, bro, you stop it! I'm gonna cry. Exit! Help me!
Guys, let's go.
Get in!
It's here.
Go up here.
We need the key
guys, over
card.
here.
We need the key card.
One at a time.
Christopher, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Guys, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. No, Christopher, don't do anything.
No!
We
Guys,
need the key card. We need the key
we're
card.
duckies.
No, stop. Stop.
What?
We need the key card. We need the key card. It's back at spawn. The key card is back at spawn.
How do we
Why do we need it?
Because look, come down here. Key card. We need a key card.
Alright, bet. Guys, let's go. Guys,
We
I know
gotta
where
go back to
go.
spawn. I know where it is. It's where the guy that looks like a robot, not the big smiley guy. It's the guy.
Oh
that
yeah!
Yeah,
We
there's a
have to
key
go to
card
the
there.
office. The office over here. Wait. Stop laughing.
Wait up!
No one likes you. No one ever likes you, bro. Take care of family.
I got the
My
help.
boss.
Guys. Keep it there. Guys, don't go anywhere.
want it.
Don't go anywhere. I need help. Okay? I need this.
Why do you need help?
My head. The cord in my headset keeps on falling out, and I can't do anything about it.
Guys, let's go. It's this way.
Bro, I can't go. Wait a second, bro. I can't
What?
really do this right now. My headset cord keeps falling out.
It's this way. You guys
Where are
okay?
you? No,
It's this way.
Where are you?
Oh my god.
Come. No, we're fine.
Guys, run! What the heck? He's glitched! He can't run!
Guys, I'm scared.
What the heck? He was glitched!
Can I have that?
Yeah, here. Wait, someone. Pop.
Did you guys get the key card?
Spencer. Okay, here.
Good, grab it! Quick!
Let's go.
Guys, they changed the sound to the grapplers when we grab.
What do we do? What do
Key
we do?
card,
What do
key
we
card.
do?
Look for the key
You're
card.
supposed to have hands.
Oh, okay.
Key card?
Wait, no egg? I found it! I found it! Help me!
Wait, give me.
Found it!
Okay.
I have it!
Guys, key card. We found it.
Guys, we have it! I have it!
Run back.
I have the key
Let's
card!
go back. We
I have
gotta
the
go
key
back.
card!
Go.
Holy crap!
Come on, guys. Wait, let's wait.
Fuzzy!
Come on. Guys. What happened to
Guys,
Fuzzy?
just go without me. Willie, no. Stay over there. I can easily come over.
Guys, I'm
Where are
here.
you?
Emily, what are you doing here?
Guys, where are you?
I joined you guys. Oh, you're so annoying. I'm scared of this place.
Where are you guys? Spencer, come back to. Oh my god.
Wait, I need that.
I don't know where you guys are, okay? I'm really struggling with this. Okay, hello. Hey, everybody stay at the office, alright? I am coming right.
Guys, everybody stay
Okay.
here. Emily, watch that door.
Somebody, grab the key card, out of my backpack, and then guard my stuff, alright? I'm going.
Okay. We'll need to take the key card. I found another key card.
Alright, but stay there, alright?
Here, Christopher, you gotta collect that. Ready.
Collect what?
Hey.
Yes!
We'll need her.
Yes.
Fuzzy, come back.
Emily died?
Yeah, we'll need her.
Let's go!
Fuzzy, don't mind that I have Red Watch, okay?
Guys, I'm here!
Here, your stuff is over
Where's
here.
my stuff? Guys, the monster killed me.
Here, all your stuff is here.
Your stuff is right here.
Guys, come on!
Don't mind that I have red watch,
Can
okay?
you wait for a few
I killed Emily. No, your grappler, your grappler. Behind you.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that.
Let's go.
Go.
You guys are sharing.
Jump down!
Let's go.
But what it said you guys are sharing.
Run! Jump down!
Go down.
Go down the stairs!
Go down.
I didn't know they really get run! Come here! Oh, over
Guys,
here!
where is he?
Help! I found it! Go!
Spencer,
Where are you?
we're here.
You guys are not helping me! I can't!
Where are you?
Where are you?
It's here. Come, it's right here.
Spence, come on!
Spencer. Okay.
Where are you guys?
And then it's in here.
Yeah, go!
I'm gonna put the key card in.
Over here! Over here!
Put it in.
What is it doing?
Key card access. What the heck? Guys, I found where to go!
Wait,
Where?
what?
Over here!
Where?
No.
Go in there! There what?
Lizzie, you aren't supposed to go in there.
Oh, wait a second. I think I know what to do.
Guys, I think we're gonna die. It's not working. Guys, it's not working. I don't think it'll work.
We gotta find a different key card.
Hold it in! Guys, that's the only key card, bro. That's the only key card.
Wait, guys. I know how to do this, alright? Come here.
What you guys do?
Fuzzy, I don't have time for this. Like, my headset's so low. Guys, come in here right now. Go in there and stay in there.
Uh-oh.
Wait, what?
Don't put it in there.
How did it work?
Don't put it in there. Now come back here and put it in here. Put it back here. See?
Try. Yes.
What?
Now what?
Rubber ducky time.
Rubber ducky. And then put the key card in.
Guys, oh my god, so many key cards, guys. Guys, over here, there's a lot of key cards that came out. What do we do with them?
Keep them. Keep them for next time.
Wait, why do we need key cards?
Keep them for next time.
So guys, now what do we do? Now we leave.
We leave in here. One at a time. Everybody go in.
Wait for me, you guys. It's not possible, bro.
Oh, wait a second, guys. So that the key cards are for this. All right. Go.
No, we need a sacrifice.
Everybody go.
Does everyone have done? Guys, we
what's the
gotta
point of
go
doing
back
that?
and get more key cards.
Guys, I'm still so. What are you trying to do?
We gotta go back and
same
get more
here.
key cards and rubber duckies.
Yeah, but why?
Just do it. Let's go.
I put it in my
Put it in here.
pickaxe, so I
Be
don't
ready
have
for a
one now.
scream.
I want to do it. Where is he?
Wait, guys, it's Morse code. That beeping is Morse code.
No, it's.
Yes, it is, bro. Where are you? Oh my gosh, I found him.
Oh, guys. right? But okay.
What do we
Wait,
do?
guys, it says mine the gap. Mine the gap. That's what we have to do to escape. Mine the gap. What does that mean? What's the gap?
Crazy. Guys, there's no way you guys are doing this. There's no.
Hold on. We have to find the gap.
You guys should probably watch a video because this is definitely not the right way.
No, we're doing what it's telling us to. We gotta mine a gap. Where's a gap?
Wait, is this the gap? I don't know.
Typically I just go in the browser, but
Guys, where do we go?
yeah, I have no idea.
Hey guys, maybe Just Toasty knows how to do this. Alright, so when we leave, just ask Just Toasty what to do. Oh wait, no, just go to his new video, his newest video, cause he should have made one about this place. So,
Yeah, he did.
Watch that video when we're done, and he usually figures out how to finish things. So we might know.
Guys, let's go back now.
Wait a second, hold on. This
Go back.
area
Wait, where's the
is,
guy? I want to open the box. Wait.
Guys, we gotta go back. Through here. Guys, we need to find rubber duckies somewhere. Yeah.
Guys,
What?
come here, alright. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna get the rest of the gear we need, alright?
Yeah, guys, are we even going the right way? Oh yeah, we are.
Yes.
What time is it?
Wait a second, guys, there is another elevator I saw.
Oh! Stuck!
Wait, did Calvin die?
Oh!
He's right there.
Guys, get him! What are you guys doing? Guys, while you do that, I'm gonna collect some stuff. Like, this I can collect.
I'm trying to find key cards.
I found a key card.
Alright, we need more
I'm just
key
collecting
cards.
everything that I can pick up.
What is this?
Guys, I have to go. Oh, key card. I have to go back to get a pickaxe. You guys wanna come?
Same, yeah. Yeah, we're coming. Wait, before we go, I need to get something. What is this thing?
Fuzzy, wait, we're coming. Alright. Calvin, come on, we're going back to safety.
What is that?
I don't know, but we're gonna see.
Maybe we can sell that.
Maybe not.
Alright, so we need to get some more gear.
Yeah, you're right. We need to.
Yeah, we need more gear.
Guys, wait, who's the rubber duckies on?
I don't.
Oh, me! I think I
Oh,
do.
you do? Okay, good. I got
Wait,
guys, I'm
no,
gonna
I
check
don't.
what I
Never
have.
mind. I don't.
I know where we could get rubber duckies though. No, don't. Oh, I had more.
What?
I had
Okay, it
more.
doesn't make a you have to do it in one move.
Where is the
Okay,
rubber
yeah.
duckies?
Okay. That's a lot. But we
that
gotta
means-
sell all of it. Let's sell it.
Wait. Uh-oh.
Christopher, let's sell it. Let's sell all of it.
No.
I know.
Wait for
I'm
me.
gonna do it.
Let's sell it. All right, come on.
I know where we could get a
Just do
lot of
this
rubber
one.
duckies, though.
Where?
Oh,
Yo, what? I don't get. I don't get how we're getting so much money. Where do
guys,
we
get ready. I'm gonna
rubber
give you
duckies?
guys more money.
Pound.
Oh.
The book flat.
Uh-oh. I do need this money.
Christopher, stop.
I'm trying to get it, bro.
You don't have to do it over and over again.
Do it. Yeah, because it wasn't coming to me. It wasn't coming
You
to
could
me.
have gone up closer and done it.
Let me put it in, right?
Guys, so my battery's close to dying, so I want to hurry this up. Okay, now pickaxe. Yeah. Guys, my battery's at 5%. Wait, I found another one. Guys, I can't believe they changed the sound to the ground.
Recording.
You're filming?
Yeah.
No, what the hell is book flat? Wait, what if I do this? What happened?
Fuzzy, where are you? Fuzzy?
I think Fuzzy's headset died.
Do we have a weapon we can kill him?
We gotta collect stuff, okay?
Yeah. Be careful. What the heck, bro? What's it doing? Can I pick this up? Cal, can you kill it?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm not done collecting. I want to see if there's anything else, okay? Let me see if there's anything else. Oh, key card. Yeah, key card. Wait, just give me a second. Alright, we're good. We can go now. We can go now. bro, I'm gonna get off.
What?
Okay, why aren't you talking? I tried to say, come over here, bro. Come on. Hello? You coming? Kill him, Calvin. Thank you, Hugo. What's inside? That might actually help. Oh, never mind it. Easter coming. Swat! Oh, now what? Oh wait, is it this way? The ducks are over here.
Okay. We need ducks.
I don't have a pickaxe. I'll collect it though.
No, I'll collect.
Oh. Over here? Or... Oh, the last one. Alright, let's go. Wait, another elevator?
There's another elevator.
Open it up. Let's see what's in.
But we gotta go mine more duckies.
We're good, we're good. We have more stuff.
Oh!
Just more than stuff. Oh.
Oh no.
Okay, you're good. Oh, where are we? Is there a guy over here?
I don't know, but we gotta
Wait,
go.
where's
Oh,
the
over
guy
here. Found it. Oh, here. In here. Wait, what's my headset at? It's at 1.
Sit down and charge it. Sit down and charge it.
Okay.
Does anybody else want? Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Now we're both sitting down. Alright, up here?
This way.
We're going backwards, by the way, but
Yeah, we need to go backwards.
why?
Cause to end the video.
Kill the guy I'm mad.
We don't need to, let's go.
Let's go. Alright, I'm ready. I hate you. Okay.
Go to the mirror.
Mirror, okay.
So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe
didn't find out
like
what
the
to do.
video. And yeah, in the next video, we are going to do a video on. We are going to be trying to beat it. So yeah, that should be fun.
Okay. Oh wait. Then what? Then what was today's thing?
Oh, we are checking it out.
Yeah, but if you don't have it, okay.
Okay, ready? So we gotta.
Oh, so the stuff that we got.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Fellatio show, by the way. I'll see you later, everybody. Boom, boom. How much money? They gave us
1,000.
bye everybody.
So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe.
Wait,
And,
wait,
yeah.
wait. Bob.
I'm under you. So yeah, bye.